jump again with her? Are you trying to give her a hug? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Are you trying to hug her? Or you want to make her jump? 1, 2, 3. She's like beside herself. Jump! Jump! You're such a good big brother. Can you jump again? You want to make her jump, don't you? You try jumping. She laughs when you jump. Okay, you jump. She likes to watch you jump. Try it again. Look at her and jump. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, you're going to sit on mommy? 3. Oh, good job. He really wants to do it for her.